Hi Praveen, this is a video which we have done to show how the coin vending machine made by the WAIONS team. We named it WAIONS 1.0. Let me explain you what are the different components which are in this particular box. The first one is the display, the second one is a coin acceptance machine, and then you also have a keypad, the coin collecting box. At the behind you will find the master switch to turn off and turn on the component. We have 4 terminals here, 2 input terminals and 2 output terminals to the motor. Now let me power on the system. Okay, the display what you're seeing now is the home screen. You will find the date, the time, and also it is ready to insert and accept the coin. Now let me show how the Now let me explain the keypad interface. The keypad interface, you will be able to configure this particular module. First you will have to enter the password to enter into the configuration mode. When you press the up option after you enter, you will find the number of rupees collected and the liters which has been consumed. Also you will be given an option whether to clear or go back to the main screen. Now I'll come back to the main screen. I'll insert a 1 coin. Okay, now let me explain you and show you how to calibrate for coin 1. Let me enter the password. Pressing the down button. So I'm going to, as you see, I am using the down button, it decreases the value. Press the up button, it increases the value. So this is calibrating the seconds for the 1 coin acceptance. So I'm going to put it to 20 seconds. And automatically it will get configured to the coin 2 as well by mathematics. As of now we have configured 1 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. As I have calibrated 1 rupee coin to 20 seconds and 5 rupee coin is calibrated to 100 seconds. That will be done similarly now. So this will be the screen which will be displayed when the coin is inserted, and you will be getting a display don't insert coin till the whole countdown is finished. Now I'm going to insert the 5 rupee coin. As you can see, the countdown for 1 rupee was from 20 seconds. The countdown for 5 rupee is from 100 seconds. Now let me explain you the feature which is important, which has been added in this particular coin vending machine. As per your requirement, you requested for SMS indication of how much liter of water is consumed and how much amount of coins which has been collected in the coin vending machine. On daily basis, you will be receiving 1 SMS, and that is whenever at a set time you will receive how many coins has been collected and how many liters has been consumed. That is the first option. The second option is whenever the coin collection box is full, that is the capacity is 1000, whenever it reaches 800 you will get a message saying the coin box is full, so you will have to send someone to empty the coin box. Third option is whenever someone opens the coin box, you will be receiving another message saying the coin box is open. And the fourth is, as soon as the coin box is open, the set values has to be cleared to 0. That is, the coins collected has to be put to 0. So whenever someone clears it, you get the 4th SMS. So 4 different types of messages you will receive each and every time. Okay, second best feature which we have added in this is, whenever someone comes to collect the coins, as soon as the coin box is open, you will get a message on the screen saying it is under maintenance. So it will not accept any other coins till the person who has cleared the box again puts the coin box back in and closes the coin box. And simultaneously you will also receive a message saying the coin box was open, as I told you as a first feature. The next feature is, as I told you, to set up or calibrate this particular box, someone who has to use a keypad to interface it, but not anyone can do it because it is password protected. For example, if I use a different kind of keypad interface, it will show an invalid password. So only the person who knows the right password details will be able to set and calibrate the box.